Me, Code 1996, and today I'm here with the Hoover FloorMate Edge. This Hoover FloorMate has their spin scrub technology, and it has a removable nozzle. You just put these out like this, and it comes off like this, so if anything gets clogged up here like hair or anything, you can clean that out very easily, and it snaps right back on the place like so, just like this. Make sure you line those up properly, like that. Alright, now that's in. And the handle release is right here, like so. And then there's a wash down below, and you push it up with your toe for dry. So we're going to start off with wash. And what I want to show you real quick is if anything like gets blocked in here and you want to clean it, you just hit these two buttons like that, and you gotta kind of pull them up. It's kind of hard to do, but you can just pull it up like this, like that. And the cool thing about this is there's no power going to this because the brushes are turned by the air. And it does a pretty good job when it's sealed to the floor, but if there's like big cracks like in my floor downstairs, the spin scrub brushes don't spin that well and it doesn't suction up that well. But I think in this floor, since it's a little bit more level, unlike the floor downstairs, it should work pretty good. So you can put this under the tap, completely wash it out just like I did, and I let it dry all night and it's perfectly fine now. So we're going to see how well this works. Just snap it back on like this. And now it's ready to go. And I have put the solution in, and it's a clean tank. And we're going to see how well this works. You can see the on buttons right here. See those brushes start spinning. You pull the trigger right here and push forward to the water. Down a good amount of water. You can really see how clean the floor is got. Now you push it up with your toe to dry. You can hear how it feels more before it's cut off the section to the brush. From that one pass, you can see it's pretty clean. It looks definitely brighter right here than on each side of it where it's dirty. Since the floor isn't level like laminate, it's not sealing properly right here, so it's not getting it as dry. You can see there's still water right here. If I had a paper towel, it would probably still have some dirty water on it. So what I do after I finish cleaning with this and I dry it with this, I go back over with just water in the tank to give it a good rinse to pick up all that water. And so we're going to do more cleaning though, just to see how well we can clean this floor. You can see it dries relatively quick, doesn't take too long. bathtub in here. I let the rabbits run around the room for a couple months. You can see right here, there's a spot right there. Pick that right up. Get this right here. Make that look pretty nice. Now we want to dry it, so we're going to push this out. I don't know what that is. That's probably going to have to be close to scrap a little bit more. That's a really good job. Just a little bit, just to complete the seal just a little bit more, and it really sucks up the water. Alright, we're going to go over here. There's some more paint over here on the floor. That noise that lets you know that the tank is full. So let's take a look at this water. This is all of the dirt that I was not able to vacuum off of the floors, and I actually went over this floor with the Dyson with the brush roll on, and this, all that sand right there is the dirt that this was able to get up in the cracks with those brushes in this section and the water that the Dyson wasn't able to vacuum out. So that really tells you how well this deep cleans cracks and crevices. So it's a little bit more work when you're going to dry it because you have to lift it up like that. But overall, this Hoover works really well, and I highly recommend it. And I've used it with multiple different solutions. I've even used Fabuloso in it, and it worked just fine. So make sure you, after you go over it the first time, you go, suck up all the water like I showed you, and then go back over it with just water in the tank to suck up the rest of the dirty water. So it's nice and clean. So let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.